There is someone left trash at the beach. Do you want to help to clean up?
Yeah. Oh no, it's a trash. Who did that? Who did that? Oh no. Who did that? The trash on the beach? It's no good. Kids don't do that. Let's call a garbage truck to help us.
Oh no, this trash is too big for me. It doesn't fit in my truck. I have to call my bigger friends.
Oh no, this trash is still so big for my truck. I have to call my bigger friend. Maybe we can do it together. Let's try to lift it. No, I still can't. Let's call our bigger friend.
Oh, thank you for coming, big garbage truck. You're gonna help us? Yay, we opened it. Let's upload our trash. Alright, no more trash at the beach. Oh, look at this. There's a trash on the sand again. Oh no! We have to call for help for our little garbage truck. Here it is. Can you help us, little garbage truck? We still have some trash left. Maybe your other friend will help us? Olga! High five! Woohoo! No more trash at the beach! Olga!
Oh, I'm so tired. I'm gonna take a break right here. Oh no, shark! Oh no, boy! I'm gonna run away. Hey, do you wanna be friends? Let's play this fun game. Do you want a blue or red? Hey, shark, let's go play. I'm gonna take a blue. Okay, I'll take red. Looks like I can't fit. I'm too big. Oh no! Let me help you. Okay, I'm in. Alright, what are we gonna do now? We are gonna bump! Bump! Bump again! Ha 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 ha! Bump again! It's so fun! Oh no! My hat is spinning! It was so much fun! Alright, now let's exercise. I'm gonna run. Okay, and I'm gonna climb. Okay, now let's train your arms. And now let's walk backwards. I'm gonna train my arms more. And I'm gonna go upside down. Let's play tennis. It's a really fun sport to do. Oh no, looks like I can't play, but I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna practice more. And more. And much more. And then I'll be good at it. Look, we can play now. Woohoo! Okay, let's now get some healthy smoothies.
2 smoothies, please.
Delicious and so healthy. It's so fun to create new friends when we look for the fun and friendship in others. Amazing adventures are always around the corner. Let's be friends, play together, and find the good in each day.
Hey, Arthur, let's go to the beach. Ah, we are airplanes.
Hey!
Hey, we are here at the beach.
Hey, Daddy, I'm hungry. Let's cook some food.
Hey, Art, let's dig a hole. But who's gonna help us? Oh, hi, excavator. Look who is coming. This is backhoe loader.
Hey, little one, do you need some help? Let me help you out.
Hey, oh, thank you.
Oh, look, we dig the big hole together. Good job, everyone. Art, why not to keep digging? Oh no, this is a shark. Let's fight. Let's go, quick. Oh no, shark took your gun, Arthur.